आजकल जो दिवाली आ रहा है, काली माँ आज से, तो why not एक makeup tutorial हो जाएगा. So if you want to acknowledge how I did this amazing Diwali look, and it's super easy, so please stay tuned and please keep watching. Hi guys, so first we are going to apply Johnson & Johnson's milk cream. After applying the primer, then we are going to go to the next step and apply foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to use Fit Me foundation in the shade 320. So now with a brush you can blend the foundation, or you can use beauty blender for a good blend, and this actually gives you a good blend rather than a brush. So I prefer beauty blender over brush. Since my beauty blender is not available for now, I'm just using a brush. So I'm just using a foundation brush. So after blending the foundation, I'm going to redefine my eyebrows. Now it's time to contour your face. So I'm using my contour kit to contour my face. So guys, if you want me to make a tutorial on how to contour and highlight, so please comment down below. So contouring आपका मुंह और sharpen कर देता है, और it really brings out all the features in your face prominently. Guys, for my eyelid, I'm going to be using a metallic orange shade. A white shade for my inner eye. all the colors well. In the end, just apply a little bit of rose gold shade in the inner eye lid. So guys, after this I have applied my eyeliner and mascara. So after that I'm going to be using a dark brown shade and I'm going to apply it on my under eye. Let's complete the baking part. So guys, now I'm going to apply red coat from Lakme, and I chose to wear red for today because it's Diwali and it's an occasion of festivals, so why not? So now for a little bit matte look, I'm just going to apply a little bit of like powder. So that's what I'm going to do. And what's left in my finger, I'm just going to add on my cheeks to give it a little bit blushy effect. So yeah. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, love is on. I'll sail to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be there to guide you. Find out what we're made of. We are called to help our friends in need. You can't count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there, 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. How much you really mean to me? Every day I will remind you. Find out what we're made of. We are called to help, I can count on you. Oh, memory, it's so sweet. I'm reminded of I'm gonna include the pic. Okay. I hope you have a happy and a safe Diwali. And also, if you like my video, please do like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, and also please do share this video if you find this video helpful, and also comment down below about what you felt about this whole entire video. This is AMELI, RUDRA, that felt good. Bye.